By 2026, 73% of knowledge workers will be replaced by AI, unless they master these 5 productivity tools first. The companies testing them right now are already 400% more efficient than their competitors. First up, Notion AI is evolving beyond simple text generation. Their 2026 roadmap includes predictive project management that learns your work patterns and automatically restructures your databases before bottlenecks hit. We're talking 40% faster project completion rates in beta testing. Second, Otter AI's real-time meeting intelligence now transcribes, summarizes, and creates action items while identifying emotional sentiment and engagement levels. Teams using it report 60% fewer follow-up meetings. Third, Zapier's AI agents are replacing entire departments. One marketing team replaced 5 manual workflows with a single AI agent that handles lead qualification, email sequences, and CRM updates, cutting response time from hours to seconds. Fourth, Superhuman's AI email processing now handles complex multi-thread conversations and automatically drafts context-aware responses. Users save an average of 2.3 hours daily. Finally, Motion's AI calendar doesn't just schedule, it optimizes your entire day based on energy levels, task complexity, and deadline urgency. Early adopters increased productive hours by 35%, ready to 10x your productivity. Links to all 5 tools are in the description. Which one will you implement first?